Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to increase or decrease the speed of your voice in Audacity. So first of all, you need to record something, or if you have any other track, okay, you can simply just paste that audio. Let's suppose if I want to paste any kind of audio, so let's suppose this is the audio. I want to change the speed of this audio, and I'm just dragging in, and you can see that it worked. So it's here, right? Alright, so to change the speed of audio, you need to select all the audio, and here you can see the effect. And if I take a look here is change speed option, and to click on that, and here you can see if you want to decrease the speed of that voice, just decrease it. And if I try to preview it,
this is recording the entire voice.
Okay, it's decreased. So, and if I want to increase,
so this is recording the entire voice. So as we can see that we
okay, so it's up to you, like if you want to let's suppose, let's take a look.
So this is recording the entire voice. So as we
so you need to set this thing according to needs, so you'll know like how it should be changed, right? So you can also make changes in this thing, but I'm not going to do anything else. And once you are sure that you are going to change your voice speed, okay, and once you are set everything,
so this is recording the
okay, simply click on OK, and let's just check.
So this is recording the entire voice. So
okay, and let's suppose if I want to decrease the speed, okay,
so this is recording the
okay, so you can clearly see that it's changed. Now you can simply export that file as MP3, wave, or whatever you like. So yeah, in this way you'll be able to change your voice using Audacity, voice speed using Audacity.